We all make silly mistakes in life. One of the most painful mistakes we can ever make is to invest poorly. If you are watching this video because you need tips on the best investment options, then you've come to the right channel. Today, we are covering the topic of investment alternatives for beginners. So are you ready to take control of your financial future and start earning more on your investments? And are you tired of leaving your hard-earned money in a low-interest savings account? Do not despair and look no further. In this video, we'll be discussing the 7 best investment options for beginners. These options are easy to understand and offer the potential for great returns, whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or just starting to build wealth. Welcome to 9 to 5 Finance, where you get to learn about smart finance and investing. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to take the first step towards financial success. Number 1. Opening a savings account and certificates of deposits, or CDs, is a good place to start. They are low-risk investment options that offer a small but steady return on your money. So although the process may take time, you can be assured of a secure profit and monetary gain. This option is insured, which means that your money is protected up to a certain amount in case the bank goes out of business. Savings accounts typically offer a lower interest rate than CDs, but they also provide more flexibility in terms of withdrawing your money. CDs, on the other hand, offer a higher interest rate but require you keep your money in the account for a set period, known as the term length. Both options are great for beginners who are just starting to build their investment portfolio and want a safe place to store their money. Number 2. As a fresher, you might also want to consider exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. ETFs are a type of investment vehicle that allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. They are similar to mutual funds in that they give you exposure to a variety of assets, but they are traded on stock exchanges like individual stocks. This makes them more liquid and easier to buy and sell than mutual funds. ETFs also have lower fees than mutual funds, making them a cost-effective option for beginners. They are a good choice for those who want to diversify their portfolio without having to buy individual stocks or bonds. Number 3. That's not to say that you can't try investing in individual stocks. It is definitely not a bad idea to try individual stocks. Individual stocks allow you to invest in a specific company by purchasing shares of its stock. This can be a riskier investment option than some of the others on this list, as the value of your investment can fluctuate significantly depending on the performance of the company. However, it can also offer the potential for higher returns if the company does well. Beginner investors may want to consider starting with a small number of well-known, stable companies that have a track record of consistent growth. It's also important to do your due diligence and research the company before investing to make sure it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Number 4. Another path we would like to advise that you also look into is mutual funds. Mutual funds are another option for diversifying your investment portfolio. They are managed by professional fund managers and consist of a pool of money from multiple investors that is invested in a variety of stocks, bonds, and other securities. Mutual funds offer the advantage of diversification and professional management, which can help mitigate the risk of investing in individual stocks. They also offer the convenience of being able to invest in a large number of securities with a single purchase. However, they also have higher fees than some other investment options, such as ETFs. Beginner investors may want to consider mutual funds as a way to get started with diversified investing without having to research and choose individual securities. Number 5. The 5th option we have for you is robo-advisors. Robo-advisors are digital platforms that use algorithms to create and manage investment portfolios on your behalf. They offer the convenience of automated investing and the benefits of professional asset allocation and diversification. Many robo-advisors also have low fees, making them a cost-effective option for beginner investors. However, it's important to keep in mind that robo-advisors do not offer the same level of personalization as a human financial advisor, so they may not be the best choice for those with more complex financial needs. If you're just starting out with investing and want an easy, hands-off approach, a robo-advisor might be worth considering. Number 6. Obviously, we won't leave out real estate. Real estate can be a lucrative investment option, but it's important to keep in mind that it also comes with its own set of risks and challenges. Investing in real estate can involve a significant amount of upfront capital and ongoing expenses, such as property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. can also be time consuming, as you'll need to research properties, negotiate deals, and manage tenants, if you're renting out the property. However, if you're willing to put in the time and effort, real estate can offer the potential for steady rental income and appreciation in property value over time. It's a good option for beginner investors who have a longer time horizon and are willing to take on a bit more risk. Number 7. Finally, you can look into trying bonds. Bonds are a type of debt security that allows you to lend money to a government, municipality, or corporation in exchange for interest payments. They are considered a lower risk investment option than stocks, as they offer a fixed income stream and a predetermined repayment schedule. However, they also tend to offer lower returns than stocks, so they may not be the best choice for those looking to maximize their returns. Beginner investors may want to consider including some bonds in their portfolio as a way to add stability and diversification. Thanks for watching our video on the 7 best options for beginners. We hope that you found it helpful and informative. Remember, the best investment option for you will depend on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and overall financial situation. It's important to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor to determine which option is right for you. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We upload new videos every week, so be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.